Hey there, Liz Waldman here with your Pilot Home Team out of Keller Williams Denver Tech Center office, bringing you the monthly market numbers for February 2023. To begin, we sold 4,572 homes. That is down 15% from last year, where we sold 5,379 homes, and that is up about 1,000 homes from last month. The number of homes on the last day of the month was 8,670. That is up 31.7% from last year, where it was 6,581. And that's down about 500 from last month, which is interesting. So we are kind of seeing a little bit of an increase in activity moving into February as far as buyers and closings and all that fun stuff goes. The average price sold was $535. That is down 2.6% from last year, where it was $550. But that is actually up 15,000 from last month. So last year at this time, there was the conversation about interest rates likely going to start going up in March. And so that created a little bit of a frenzy and quite the aggressive market. It was already slightly aggressive, but even more so in February and March. And so I predict that we will see kind of a year-over-year decrease in prices sold because there were some people buying homes quite a bit over list price. But I do expect that we will continue to see month-over-month increases, likely as we go in through June, because June was kind of when we really started to see the rate increases slow things down. So that's just my prediction. That's just what I expect. So year over year, it looks like prices have gone down, but month over month they're going up. And again, we'll see kind of what happens as we move throughout the year. The average ask price was $600. That's up 4.3% from last year, where it was $575, and that is up about 15,000 from last month. I also find it funny that we had a higher average asking price from last year, but a lower sell price. The price per square foot was $299. That is down 2.9% from last year, where it was $308, and that's actually up $7 from last month. The days on market was 50. That is up 163.2% from last year, where it was 19, and that is no change from last month. Again, we're seeing more homes on the market. We're seeing them sit a little bit longer. However, we are still below where we should be as far as a stable market goes. So I'm not too worried about any of that. The month supply is 1.9. That's up 55% from last year, where it was 1.2. And that's actually down 0.7 months supply from last year. So again, things are moving quickly. And just a friendly reminder, things were moving very fast in February, just to make sure that people to basically avoid those impending interest rate increases. The majority of homes sold in the $500 to $599 price range, that accounted for 21.3% of all the homes. Then the $400 to $499 price range was the next most at 20.8% of all the homes sold. And then the $600 to $699 price range overtook the $300 price range at 13.5% of all the homes sold. So from $400 to $699 price range, that accounted for 55.6% of all the sales. And then the fourth place was the $300 to $399 price range at 13% of all the sales, followed by $700 to $799 price range at 7.5% of all the sales. And in sixth, the $200 to $299 price range edged out the $1 to $1.5 million price range by 0.1% at 5.3% of all the sales. So it's just some interesting things going on. It's similar to when we were kind of comparing COVID and the slowdown and the month over month or the year over year changes. So we're just going to kind of move forward and see what happens compared to the frenzy that slowed down quite a bit come June. If you have any questions about whether now is a good time to buy or sell, if you should rent or buy, if you're curious about a more localized market snapshot of where you live, we're always happy to chat. You can reach us at 303-956-2765 or visit our website at www.yourpilothome.com, and I will talk to you in a month.